Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need your Switch signed into your Nintendo account and the Nintendo Switch Online app installed on your phone. Once done, open the app and sign in. Make sure you grant microphone permission and enable background refresh so audio stays live while gaming. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or LTE network, then find the specific game session from the app's home or an invite link and tap Join Voice Chat to enter the session. This starts the in-game voice channel, using your phone as the mic. Once you're in the voice session, use the app's mute button, speaker toggle, and volume sliders to control levels quickly. These settings directly affect what your teammates hear. If you prefer a headset, pair it to your phone and switch the audio output in the app. Bluetooth headsets often reduce background noise but may add latency. To include more people, send invites from your friend list or the game's party options. Accept any permission prompts and confirm you're joining the correct session so everyone lands in the same chat. Finish by testing audio with a friend to verify both incoming and outgoing sound and check mic clarity. Make small adjustments to gain or mic placement if needed. If you encounter issues, restart the Nintendo Switch Online app, toggle microphone permission in your phone settings, and ensure the app and phone OS are updated. Also confirm your network is stable. If problems persist, sign out of the app and sign back in to refresh session tokens. This one step often resolves join failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.